Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover regular expressions. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover regular expression match replacement. I have declared string regex to store pattern and another string name to store name. We can replace all the pattern match in string with another string using replace all method, and replace only first pattern match with another string using replace first method. In the next program, I am going to cover regular expression boundary matchers. We can use caret symbol to match beginning of line, dollar symbol to match end of line, /small b to match word boundary, /capital B to match not a word boundary, /capital A to match beginning of input, /capital G to match end of previous match, /capital Z to match end of input last terminator, and /small z to match end of input. In the next program, I am going to cover pattern and matcher class. Pattern and matcher class is available under java.util.regex. I have declared string regex to store pattern, string s to store string. Created object for pattern class by using pattern string regex with compile method. Pattern object dot matcher method return object of matcher class. We can check whether pattern matches string or not using pattern object.matcher.matches method. Alternatively, we can assign the matcher object returned by matcher method to matcher class object and check whether pattern matches string or not using matcher object.matches method. In the next program, I am going to cover character classes. We can use dot to match any character, /small d to match with digit, /capital D to match with non-digit character, /small s to match with white spaces, /capital S to match with non-white space character, /small w to match with word character, and /capital W to match with non-word character. In the next program, I am going to cover regular expression group. I have declared string regex to store pattern with 3 groups. First group with 3-digit, second group with 4-digit, and third group with 3-digit. Declared string s to store string. Created object for pattern class by using pattern string regex with compile method. Assigned the matcher object returned by matcher method to matcher class object. We can get the next string pattern match using find method. We can get group using group method. Particular group using group method with group number as parameter. And we can get group count using group count method. In the next program, I am going to cover regular expression named group. I have declared string regex to store pattern with 2 groups with name. First group G1 with 5-digit, and second group G2 with 5-digit. Declared string s to store string. Created object for pattern class by using pattern string regex with compile method. Assigned the matcher object returned by matcher method to matcher class object. We can get the next string pattern match using find method. We can get group using group method. Group start using matcher object.start method with no parameter. Group end using matcher object.end method with no parameter. Particular group using group method with group number as parameter. Particular group start using matcher object.start method with parameter as group number. Particular group end, using matcherObject.end method, with parameter as group number. Alternatively, we can use group name to get particular group, start, and end. And we can get group count, using group count method. In the next program, I am going to cover regular expression find and replace. I have declared string regex to store pattern. Created object for string buffer class. Declared string s to store string. Created object for pattern class by using pattern string regex with compile method. Assigned the matcher object returned by matcher method to matcher class object. We can find pattern and replace using append replacement method and append tail method. We can display string buffer content using string buffer object.toString method. In the next program, I am going to cover regular expression quantifiers. I have declared string s to store string. We can match whether pattern is present 0 or more times using asterisk symbol. Pattern is present 1 or more time using plus symbol. Pattern is present 0 or 1 time using question mark. Pattern is present exactly number of times specified using number within flower brackets. Pattern is present more than particular number of times using number followed by comma within flower brackets. Pattern is present between range of times using range within flower brackets. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.